वेलकम बैक टू चेसिंग ट्रॉफीज। आज का एपिसोड बहुत मजेदार होगा बिकॉज मैं लास्ट मिनट टॉपिक चेंज हो गया। फैज भाई को भी नहीं मालूम है, इवन तो ही इज द वन हु टोल्ड मी दैट वी गोना डू द प्रीव्यू in the evening, so I've changed the topic for the morning. The topic today is Hindi commentary because we've talked about that a lot and it's something interesting. Maybe it might be clickbait material as well, but हरभजन सिंह को लेके फैज काफी भाई बहुत डिस्कोर्स है, ट्विटर पे भी, अपने चैनल पे भी, कमेंट कमेंट सेक्शन में everyone's complaining about the Hindi commentary. So let's discuss it. Just to give you a little context, is basically the Hindi commentary is going to a lot of criticism because of the way they're talking about things, and it doesn't feel like they're analyzing the game. People are saying, I've not watched Hindi commentary, so I don't know exactly. But from I remember last year also there were a few comments that they're not really talking about the action, they're talking about other things. It's more about storytelling. Then Harbhajan got into a fight or rift with some fan on Twitter as well. Gali Galoj ho gaya usme. They are saying that he might be banned from the commentary, but I don't know. I haven't seen any official confirmation of that. But yeah, your initial thoughts about this topic.
I mean, देखिए हिंदी कमेंट्री का पर्सनली हमारे को दोनों को में भी उतना समझ में आता, but just commentary in general, if I look at it, they're there to entertain and stuff, and they're able, the main job is to keep talking through the whole game, right? And that's what they're doing at the end of the day. Some people like analysis. We enjoy analysis. We enjoy to like Dinesh Karthik. We enjoy Nasir Singh. We enjoy Ravi. Whoever, like whatever variety they bring. अब हिंदी कमेंट्री का देखिए भाई, अगर आप लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा, लास्ट ईयर से ये प्रॉब्लम चल रहा है। मेन मुद्दा ये है कि भाई वो लोग एनालिटिक्स नहीं बात करे, ये वो नहीं करा। आपने को आई थिंक कुछ बताया था, आकाश चोपड़ा का भी पहले उन्होंने बोला कि दे वुड लाइक टू डू इट, बट देखो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे स्टार स्पोर्ट्स मेरे हिसाब से जो भी broadcasting partner or whatever, they're looking to commercialize this thing. They should, because people want it. But there are people also like when you talk like these things, when you talk apart from sports, अगर आप कोई भी मैच देख रहे हैं, अगर कोई रेफरेंस बना देते हैं कोई ड्यूरिंग द मैच किसी और टीम के बारे में खिल्ली उड़ा दिया या समथिंग, जब हम टॉप पे हैं, जब हमें को समझ में आता है चीज़। अब जब कोई एमआई की तारीफ कर देता है या कुछ, इट बिकम्स लाइक अरे बेकार कमेंट्री। सो लोगों का इमोशन चेंज होते रहता है। मेरे हिसाब से देखो, they are very good commentators as well. Sidhu in his time, he's very knowledgeable and stuff. I think Akash Chopra is also a crazy analyst. Now what we have to ask ourselves, why are they doing that, right? Why are they उनका चैनल अगर आप देखो, आकाश चोपड़ा का YouTube चैनल, भाई he's top notch. And उसके बाद अगर ऐसा, that means like they're looking at the trends, their metrics in every corporate company. So by there's like customer satisfaction हो गया, या कितने टाइम पे कितने लोग, what are they trending on, what's happening around the world. So that's what the production tells them to also say. So I don't know which way it is. Is it I don't think it's necessarily the analysts who are sitting in the panel that's their decision to talk about it. I don't think Akash Chopra would enjoy talking about a few things, or maybe being very self-obsessed or whatever these people are saying. So I don't know which way to look at it, but if you do generally not like the quality, then you can always switch the channel, is what we recommend here at Chasing Trophies. But for me, I'm stuck with it. What can I do? I'll watch it. If I don't have any other option, I just watch it. Like, what can I do?
The thing is also, you mentioned something interesting in their life, that any publicity is good publicity, right? So maybe it is it's planted by the broadcaster. You see the Ambati Rayudu thing last year, right? Everyone saying ताकि बात करा धोनी को ये कर दे रहा वो कर दे रहा, but the amount of super chats and that YouTube channels, different YouTube channels were getting. Then you saw the reels that were cut, you saw the memes that were cut, all was to do with Ambati Rayudu. So in a way, then he took that and he started and kept doing it even more, because by आप उसको publicity दे रहे हैं to a certain extent. They might maybe compromising on the quality of commentary for you, but they're looking at it from a business point of view. They're making more money like that. If there is somebody with the best analysis, he might not be generating that viewership as this.
Just compare Rick Buzz's numbers to Star Sports, right?
Yes.
Like Rick Buzz has beautiful analysts. So Joyce, that guy, I really enjoy his talk, man. The way he talk, when Michael Vaughan and him are sitting, like I'm just listening to what he has to say, because he's so. But it's not necessarily like some XYZ person like the same thing. And if you look at
and Gaurav Kapoor is there too to give you the Setmax vibes.
But at the end of the day, they're still not outdoing Star Sports. Now you can say that Star Sports is a bigger broadcaster, Rick Buzz is a different media output, but my point over here is like some people like that masala. Not everybody likes intellectual movies. Not everyone likes we used to do a show where some people didn't like stats. Some people like stats. So there's always going to be a difference of opinion. Now the majority, that is what the broadcaster is going to look at. He's not going to look at Mustafa Bhai Failbhai to start pasata. Mustafa Bhai Failbhai, in a room of 10, if 8 people are saying I like this Mirchi Masala, Dhurandhar and Virat Kohli and MSD and all of this Thala के साथ अंबती राइडू एंड आई लाइक वो जो एक फोटो मशहूर हुई थी ऐसा सामने खड़ा है पीछे ये चीजें उनको पसंद है तो दैट दे आर गोइंग टू ऑब्वियसली एज अ ब्रॉडकास्टर कॉर्पोरेशन याद रखिए they have metrics, they look at numbers, they look what's trending, they look what's clickbaity, they look what's this is how it works, right?
There's a very interesting point you said, right? And now actually you said that Gaurav Kapoor, but actually they're not doing the commentary, they're doing the post match, mid match thing. Exactly. So my question to you is, what if they do the commentary now? What if Crickbuzz says ki hum commentary karenge? Like, do you think that will? Because I saw that Robin Uttama did a cheeky stream with Jared Kimber. Yes. He's also an IPL commentator. He was there. Yeah. So, what if Crickbuzz actually say ki bhai? But the thing is now I think Crickbuzz has a tie-up with the broadcaster too, so I don't think they can do this. Yeah. But I have a genuine feeling if Crickbuzz start the stuff like that, maybe but the thing is, there is a time. You see, Virender Sehwag is also on Crickbuzz. Yeah. He's also on Star Sports. Harsha Bhogle is also on Crickbuzz. Is also on Star Sports. So is all these other guys, except for Roy Bhattacharya and I think Michael Fong. They're all in with the broadcaster too. So maybe, but it is interesting that अगर लोग ऐसा देख रहे हैं, maybe other channels will come up and create their own content. But again, it's very difficult to generate because those are live broadcasting. You can't really do that commentary plus match
and imagine agar Joy Bhattacharya, Gaurav, they start talking like that to talk, right? Like do people be like post match mein aadat ho gaya? We need to listen to something like a lot of people.
Or maybe the broadcaster won't allow them to talk like that.
Like he'll say nahi bhai network down ho raha hai, नेटवर्क अप हो रहा है, प्रॉब्ली ईयरपीस में बोलते ही होंगे ना कि 15-15 मिनट को चेंज होते रहते हैं आपके कमेंटेटर. सो 15-15 मिनट में कोई तो भी आएगा एंड देखो भाई व्हाई इज सिद्धू, व्हाई इज आकाश चोपड़ा, व्हाई दी गाइस ट्रेंडिंग. Something must be happening right for them, right?
And Harbhajan Singh
and अभी तक we're using that line Tambu Bambu, but still using that Tuesday.
Yeah, and Harbhajan को आप देख लो, राइडू का देख लो, उन लोग like you said they're in conversation and everything. Obviously now there is a thing he shouldn't have retaliated. Obviously he shouldn't have probably said what he said. I didn't see the exact tweet, but I think it was something which was not acceptable. Obviously he's maybe pushed towards it because of the criticism and everything. But yeah, it's going to be very interesting to see does the broadcaster take it in a positive way or negative way? Do they actually take action? Do they try to improve the commentary if there is a problem with the commentary, or are they just going to say let's just keep being in the news?
I think देखो भाई 2 साल से तो हम देख रहे हैं चीज, like last year से तो देख रहे हैं at least. That doesn't look like it's changing. Now when there is serious feedback, the actions should be taken, and I think there was something that happened last year, but again we're back to square one. We talk so much about Virat Kohli के 1 घंटे के especially. Has it changed? It's not changed. It's clearly we have a 2 billion population almost. They're not. I think about that maybe like I don't know 10% maybe are the people like would like serious analysis. Other people नहीं समझते होंगे maybe it's the other way around. But point is that broadcaster आप मेयर से और पूरे ये लोग जो भी protest कर रहे हैं उनसे ज्यादा नंबर्स हैं उनके पास.
हो सकता है, मगर बड़ी बात ये है कि ये बात निकल के आ रही है अभी, वो दबरी नहीं ना. मतलब people are genuinely talking about, हम जहाँ पे भी स्ट्रीम कर रहे हैं या जहाँ पे भी हम बात कर रहे हैं इसके बारे में, लोग they have their opinion.
And I agree with the people who are saying कि एनालिसिस होना चाहिए कमेंट्री में. I agree, मजा उसमें ही आता है कि आप गेम के बारे में सीखना, बट लाइक वही है कि आजकल गेम को सीखना आपको दूसरे भी जगह हैं. But while watching the match, like now we don't watch commentary that much, but when we would, me and Mustafa both in a test match, I think we would like to know how the guy got out. We would like to know who scored. I am in the positive for everybody who is talking about that, but I also understand from a corporate perspective how things work.
So are they not commentating ball by ball? That's what we need to see कि उन लोग का क्या मतलब commentary में क्या हो रहा है जो लोगों को तंग कर रहा है. Because मैं last year हम लोग सोचे थे कि
Mustafa, sorry to cut you, but that's what they want. They want it in F4 कैसा मारा. How did he get to a 50 yard? अभी क्या they're talking about themselves. हमारे ज़माने में ये होता था. अरे ये ऐसा गया या कोई टीम को glorify कर दे रहे हो आप. Yeah, you're talking something away from the game like Bambu and Tambu and all of this. If you're a commentator or an analyst, they're expecting you to talk about the game. Like Dinesh Karthik's moments, remember camera आता था Red Ball में, he used to show. So in this particular delivery or इस action में क्या हुआ, ये चीज़ हमारे और हिंदी commentary में necessarily ये चीज़ नहीं हो के बाकी सब चीज़.
So they're not describing ball to ball.
Yeah, they're not describing and ball to ball is still difficult. I think like maybe just एक synopsis निकालो of a particular incident that happened in the game. Talk about Suryavanshi. Why is he so good? What is it that Jaiswal is struggling today? Why is Shivam Dubey not able to? What happened to Sanju Samson today? Just little bit of snippets is what I expect.
Acha, yeah. I mean, we'll have to look into it in more analysis now because it's been talked about a lot. Like, you know, मेरे को तो उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता because like मैं तो म्यूट पे देख रहा हूँ. मगर even if I don't like commentary, then I just watch something else or I watch a watch along where I prefer that commentary, or I'll just listen to the radio, like or the radio feed which you get. There are multiple options. When we were kids, we didn't have these options. We had to listen to the commentary that was given to us. And if we didn't like it, we just mute it still, and we would like listen to music or something, watch the game, or we would do something about it. So I think now, I think as a consumer, you have a lot of options. So yeah, I mean, if they are completing, they want to change it for the good. I completely respect that. But at the same time, you know, there's not too much to worry about. If you don't like it, then you have other options. I understand people who just solely want to listen to Hindi, do not want English, they do not want Bhojpuri, Tamil, Telugu.
For them,
it's a problem. But I still feel that's a very minority. But for them, you should still change it. You should still make it ball to ball and everything. Because I don't know. I think what Faiz is saying is correct, but I think the actual viewers want proper commentary, but the Instagram wants something else, and the Twitter, Instagram, that is what they so real nahi cut rahe. So maybe that's what they want. Like, I don't know. Maybe it could be the thing, but it's still very difficult code to crack because like us, we both don't really watch it with commentary. So हमारे को exactly नहीं मालूम.
Broadcaster, again, you have to look how the revenue is generating. What kind of content are they able to execute, like Sabai said. What are the viewership on their own channels respectively, how many eyeballs are there. There's a lot of things that you got to look into their corporate metrics and corporate statistics, and they will run the show and production accordingly, right? Tomorrow, let's just say on this podcast, if something's working, Mustafa Bhai or anyone like who's in this unit would want to run it accordingly. So, like if there is Mustafa Bhai singing and it's working, maybe we'll have to do that, you know what I mean? So that's how the narrative will be shifted for a broadcaster as well. So that is, but again, I do respect and I understand completely for Hindi viewers that agar aapko chahiye, and I'm all for it. Like you should have, and I do agree that like game chalte mein kuch to सीखने मिलना.
हाँ, मगर वही आप अगर नहीं हो रहा आपसे तो फिर आप लाइक YouTube खोल लो, कहीं और देख लो हिंदी कमेंट्री, वही आप कर सकते हैं बिकॉज आपके पास अगर जैसा फैज बोले उन लोग नहीं चेंज करना चाह रहे, उन लोग यही डिसीजन पे स्टिक करना है, तो आपके पास अलग ऑप्शन है. यू डोंट हैव टू कीप गोइंग ओवर देयर. बट द थिंग इज it is making breaking news. This has been the topic for the last 2 days. I ignored it yesterday, but now
हरभजन के वजह
yeah, we have to address it, man.
बात सही है
यार देखो, मैं आपको एक चीज बोलूं, आपको याद है 2024, ठीक है, एक मैच हुआ था, हम इसी कमरे में देखे थे, केकेआर और सनराइजर्स का. उसमें मिचेल स्टार्क की पड़ी थी. आपको याद है उसमें हरभजन बोले थे कि अरे इसको क्या 23 करोड़ क्यों दिए, ये दिए, राइट? एंड मैं तब भी आपको बोला था कि लाइक अरे इन्हें ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. एट दैट टाइम वी वर वाचिंग विद कमेंट्री एंड आई टोल्ड यू अरे इन्हें ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा है, लाइक राइट. ही सेड एंड व्हाट हैपेंड इन द एंड, स्टार्क बिकेम the best, like the man of the series, like yeah, वो हो गए. अब उन्हें गलत बोला वो, but मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि भाई इसको like yeah, although I think it was a very like I agree with that comment at all, like zero. मैं इरफान पठान का भी आपको बोला था कि भाई हार्दिक को बहुत ज्यादा बोल रहा है, उसको निकाल ही दिया. I didn't expect कि उसको निकाल देंगे. So sometimes
नहीं है कहीं.
देखो क्रिटिसिज्म तो मैं भी करता हूँ, मतलब मैं भी तो कर रहा हूँ, मगर मैं आपको ये नहीं बोला भाई उसको जॉब से निकाल दो यार, because nobody wants to leave their job no matter what, right? At the end of the day, like you can ask them to improve, you can ask them to change. If I'm the Star Sports guy, I would tell him, bro, like थोड़ा सा don't make it too biased, or don't make it too, like if you're telling me मुझे भाई थोड़ा सा calm down हो जा रहे, don't talk too much Sunrisers, okay fine, you can tell me that, no problem. If I'm working for the company and like it's affecting the viewers, you can tell me feedback. मगर यार उसको मैं ये नहीं समझा कि उसको निकाल देंगे on the basis of the comments.
वो ये confirmation तो नहीं है कि निकाले या नहीं निकाले. But we'll come to know in the days. But yeah, for all the Hindi fans,
वो इरफान पठान को तो बेचारे को निकाल दिया.
लालिए लेकिन लगली वो लालिए वो हक कर दिया हार्दिक.
वो एक साल उसको जॉब नहीं थी भाई. मतलब he missed out on a 1-year contract. Like you know how much money you make in like 2 months, right?
YouTube was then that I think.
Yeah, he's doing his YouTube, but he's still doing it. But like effect तो होता है यार, it's like psychologically and everything like that.
Yeah, I mean you're never gonna go safely minded, nah. Like when you're commenting now, you're hesitant.
Yeah, and then you're making the comment. And to be very honest with you, we've been doing it for a while. It is the most difficult thing, man. हमारी हालत आउट हो जाती है. And these guys have to do it every day of the year.
Yeah, and have to put up like पूरा पहन सेन के माइक and you खासे कुछ अब बाजू वाले को बोलने में भी सोचना पड़ता है.
भाई हमारे को 2-3 लोग कभी-कभी बोल देते हैं यार मुस्तफा ऐसा, like थोड़ा सा एनर्जी दिखाओ, ये करो वो करो, मेरे को बोलते राइट.
Yeah.
दो तीन लोग, imagine millions are telling me every day, मुश्किल है ऐसा, like you know it's not a,
काम आ गया.
yeah, it's a very difficult thing. So I understand that point of view, but yeah, like let's see what happens. In India, you know, you are bilingual. There's a lot of people who speak a second
Regional,
language,
yeah,
right? The regional language. So you have the Star Sports give you that option too. I don't think ये option था 10-15 साल पहले.
वो भोजपुरी में भी लोग enjoy करते, but वो भी entertainment ही है. Like I don't know how much they talk technical, and that's what people want. Hindi is a national language, you know. That's what
There is that guy, Mr. Razdan,
yeah.
Vivek Razdan, sir.
Yeah.
He's not in the commentary because उन्हें Sony Sports से वो पे कर रहे थे अभी टेस्ट
I
मैचेस.
don't know, like I think
सिराज का कर रहे थे देखो अभी.
the Peter Drury of Hindi commentary type.
Yeah.
वो जो टूट गया है.
हाँ गाबा का.
घमंड.
Yeah, तो उसको नहीं लिखा सकते.
I don't know, I mean लोग क्या सोच के करे वो सब है. Like again, we don't know the.
Even I think Jatin Sabru is not there.
नहीं जतन.
क्या हो गया उसके साथ?
नहीं उन्हें भी YouTube में भी दे रहा शायद. I don't know, but
Oh
like.
yeah, क्या we have to do research on Jatin Sabru. So tomorrow we'll do an episode maybe on Jatin Sabru.
Even तने तिवारी को लाए थे बीच में.
उन्हें भी नहीं है.
तने तिवारी भी. but उन्हें लखनऊ सुपर जायंट्स में काम.
हाँ उन्हें भी नहीं. क्या हो गया भाई?
So
अभी आप देखो लीड कमेंटेटर आकाश ओगड़ा बन गया, अश्विन और इन्हें सिद्धू है
नहीं
अश्विन और सहवाग है शायद. हाँ फिर सिद्धू भी होंगे, दूसरे भी होंगे, मगर वेयर इज JSAP and ASAP मैन? कुछ तो है. we'll do more and yeah, there is something to
there are
it.
a lot of people that they can get, but yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, what happened to Jatin Sabru is also a question.
Yeah, Jatin Sabru.
Yeah, a lot of things are happening, but that's what we associate with. But yeah, thank you for sorry for the last change in thing, but
Maybe
like
it was an interesting topic.
it's a topic I thought we talk about it because anyway we're gonna discuss the game tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is the today.
Yeah.
It's the Gujarat Titans versus the Punjab Kings in New Chandigarh. So all the Punjab fans do join us for that. And yes, thank you, Faz. Thank you to everybody. Let us know in the comments what you think about the commentary situation, because you guys will know a bit more than us.
Yeah,
We're not really listening to it, so we don't know exactly what's happening. We're just seeing clips here and there. It's a bit out of context for us. So you can let us know in the comments. And thank you, everybody, and catch you guys very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.